Hey guys, this is Frankie, 大家好，我是 Frankie, and welcome back to the 24 Days Till Christmas. Today we're going to be doing day 14 and 15, and today's video is made by Desy, and she will be making kale and white bean soup. Her tea of the day is orange spice tea. Sounds nice. Take it away, Desy.
Hey guys, it's Desy again. So today's beverage is going to be an orange and spice tea. So again, going with the fruit tea theme on this one. I really like orange and spice tea just because it kind of reminds me of fall going into winter. Has a very orangey smell, has some cinnamon in it, and it is a completely herbal tea. So we're gonna let that steep and then take a sip or two. All right, let's go ahead and take a sip. Yeah, it's pretty warm and spicy with the cinnamon, and the orange is a little bit more subtle. I would definitely put sugar in this though. All right. Let's get started with the video.
For this recipe, you're going to need onion, garlic, carrots, mushrooms, red pepper flakes, white wine, chicken stock, white beans, and kale. First, you want to warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For this recipe, I use half an onion, but you can use 2 shallots as well. Add a dash of salt and pepper, and then cook the onions until they are softened. Once the onions have gotten soft, you add in your 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and you add in 2 medium carrots chopped. Now, I personally didn't want to waste the kale stems, so I chopped the kale stems as well and added it in with the carrot. this recipe calls for half a cup of white wine. I opted to use cooking wine instead. So you just put the wine in and let it reduce. With this recipe, you can use any type of white bean that you like. I'm using northern white beans in this recipe. Just make sure that they are drained before you add them into the soup. And here it is, the finished product. Another thing that you could add to the soup is sausage. I saw a recipe that you can add chorizo or you can add kielbasa. But for me, I decided to keep it purely veggies on this one. So after trying this, I really like this soup. It's a very hearty soup, it's very fresh. The only thing I would change is I would add a little bit more heat with the red pepper flakes just for me, and then maybe adding some rosemary or something to give it a little bit more spice. But other than that, it was really good.